Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can create a poll in Messenger. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. To do that, it's a very easy process. All you gotta do is simply open up your Messenger app and then go ahead, open up a group chat where you would like to create a poll. Once you open up your group chat, simply go ahead, tap on this plus icon. Then you will find this poll option popping up right over here at the bottom, as you can see. Go ahead, tap on this poll. Now tap on this poll question. Add in the question that you would like, whatever question that you would prefer to create a poll for you. Go ahead and add an option, what options you would like to add for them to choose for. Once you've added an option, tap on this create poll. For example, let me go ahead and add, this is a random text I have added, and I'm going to add another option for me to provide how many options you want to provide. Let's say I have 4 options. Now tap on create poll and your poll will be created, and that is it. Then tap on done at the bottom and you're good to go. That's basically what it takes. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.